Welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So to prime the eyes, I used my Too Faced concealer. I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I went ahead and set it in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I used is the Huda Beauty Neon Pink palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is this light pink shade, and I picked it up with a fluffy brush, and I put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions just to warm up the crease. Next, I grabbed a defined angled brush and I went in with this purple shade in the palette, and I applied it a little bit above my actual crease so that it would frame my eye socket when I open my eye. Sometimes I find that if you put the eyeshadow directly in your crease, when you open your eye you can't even see the shadow, so that's why I like to go a little bit higher. And then I went back into that first transition shade and I just applied it directly over that line just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And I just went in back and forth motions and circular motions just to really make sure that it's nice and blended. Next, I picked up the foiled pink eyeshadow in the palette, and I just applied that shade all over my lid. And I find that that shadow actually applied best when I used my finger, because it really just picks up the pigment better than a brush. And then I went in with my NYX glitter primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Blazing Sunset, and I just applied that to the very center part of my eyelid just to add a little bit more of a pop. And then for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check it out. But the style that I went in with is Barbados. And then I went in with that first transition shade once again, and I just applied it to the lower lash line. And I pretty much want to apply the same shades that I applied to my crease to my lower lash line just to make sure that the look is nice and even. So I just went in back and forth motions. And then I went into that purple shade that we applied in our crease as well, and I picked it up with a really detailed brush and I focused that shade really close to my lash line. And then I went back into that transition shade one last time just to make sure that everything is nice and blended and smoked out. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. We appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!